I have heard ICU nurses saves lives every day. Is ICU nursing a good career choice?
Yes, let me explain you. ICU nurses are among the most skilled healthcare professionals. They care for critically ill patients, operate advanced life support equipments, monitor vital signs, and work closely with doctors during medical emergencies.
How does Rahman Institute of Nursing prepare students for ICU nursing?
At Rahman Institute of Nursing, learning goes beyond the classroom. We received hands-on clinical training under experienced nursing faculty and specialist doctors at Rahman Hospitals Pvt. This real-time hospital exposure helps build confidence, professional decision-making, clinical skills in critical care setting.
Ma'am, what career opportunities are available after gaining ICU nursing skills?
Okay, so ICU trained nurses are in demand across multi-specialty hospitals, emergency care settings, and cardiac and trauma units and international healthcare settings. So here at Rahman Institute of Nursing, we prepare you for a career where every second and every life matters.
Critical care demands knowledge, precision, and compassion. At Rahman Institute of Nursing, students receive hands-on ICU training through Rahman Hospitals Pvt, guided by experienced nursing faculty and specialist doctors. Rahman Institute of Nursing prepares future ICU nurses for rewarding careers in Assam, across India, and around the world. Rahman Institute of Nursing, where learning meets life-saving.